Manga is a Bengali term farmers use for the internal annual cycle of poverty and plenty. When the season is right, there is plenty for all. When things are tough, everyone suffers. Joino Abedin, a farmer in Nufamari district, some 360 kilometers northwest of Bangladesh's capital Dhaka, has been living under the shadow of manga for more than 50 years. Today, the manga cycle is not entirely broken, but the hardships of agrarian communities in northern Bangladesh have been greatly alleviated by high-yielding Chinese rice varieties.
ভবিষ্যতে আমরা এটা লাগাবো, খুব ভালো লাগছে। ধানের ফসলটা আমার খুব একটু বেশি হয়েছে, বছর কয়েকবারের চেয়ে খুবই এবারে আরো আগে গেছি বেশি। আমরা কৃষকরা খুবই আগে গেছি এই ধান আবাদ করি।
আমি ন্যাশনাল 4 ধান আবাদ করেছি। আমি 12 বিঘা জমিতে ধান আবাদ করেছি এবং ফলন ইনশাআল্লাহ খুবই বাম্পার ফলন হয়েছে এবং আরো অন্যান্য লোক এই ধান আমার দেখতে আসে।
The Bangladesh Ministry of Agriculture and Chongqing Seed distribute 8 hybrid strains. National Agricare Group entered the seed business in 2010. Chongqing is a frequent participant in China's aid and technical collaborations, leading rice technology cooperation in Bangladesh as part of the Belt and Road project.
Annually, we export 2,600 metric ton seed to Asia countries and African countries. In Bangladesh, with the help of our close partner, National Agricare, we distributed 1,500 metric ton seed every year to the farmers. And our hybrid rice, Junglugraj, is become to the most popular variety in Bangladesh due to its high yielding, high resistance, high quality. The yielding can be reached 4.5 tons generally, and is more than 30% yielding higher than other local varieties.